What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to show how to clean your white wall tires. Now, one might think, why not just use regular wheel cleaner or whatnot? I wouldn't advise that because it can actually yellow the white walls themselves. So I have found out the best method that works for these is, in fact, it's not actual carpet cleaner, it's just a spray bottle, but I use 1 part soap to 2 parts water and a magic eraser. And in my opinion, I think it's one of the best methods because it's not too harsh. It's really good for cleaning. I mean, this primary job is to clean residue off white surfaces. So I do not advise using a wheel cleaner. Way too harsh, and you could potentially yellow the white walls themselves. You can see the line where I've already started cleaning, and then the part that is dirty and yellow. So I'll give a quick example of how well and easy it works, and I don't know, in my opinion, I think it's one of the better methods to use, so we'll try it out. So I just spray a little, and then you can see and you might have to go over it multiple times just to get, and I come back through with a towel, you know, just to get some of these edges here. But overall, I think it's one of the easier and better methods to clean a white wall surface. And I would even do it on any type of white wall. It's not too harsh, and it works, in my opinion, very effectively and quickly. So I figured that was just a quick video of what I think is a easy way to clean your white walls. So I've already cleaned all the white walls on this. They actually came out pretty darn good. They're a lot dirtier than I thought. So like I said, use 2 parts water, 1 part regular dish soap, and then a magic eraser. Works absolute wonders. It's not too harsh. You just gotta keep in mind, if you use too harsh, you can potentially yellow them, and that's irreversible. So definitely just keep that in mind.